Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see Child 1 from Lesen section of German Goethe A2 exam. Okay, so just one tile we'll see for today, so there won't be any confusion. Then maybe in next video we'll see Child 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we'll start. I'll share one screen with you, then you will be able to see the text. So yeah, this is Lesen section of German Goethe A2 level exam, and this is Teil 1 particularly. Sie lesen in einer Zeitung diesen Text. Okay, so you actually you are reading or you read a newspaper article. Okay, here there is a newspaper article in this text, and then according to this, based on this, you will have to answer the questions. Okay, so now here, what is the text? We'll just read it once. Der TV cook Stefan Berger, meaning the TV cook Stefan Berger. Ich versuche immer wieder etwas Neues. I always try something new. This is the heading of the text, okay, or that article. Bei Stefan Berger gibt es Gerichte, von denen man vorher noch nie gehört hat. Meaning, Stefan Berger has dishes that you have never heard it before. So new dishes he has. Er hat Deuren neue Ideen, meaning he has new ideas. Then Gestern gefällt das. Guests like that. Man muss unbedingt vorher anrufen und einen der wenigen Tische bestellen. One has to go ahead and call to reserve a few of the tables in his restaurant if you want to eat in his restaurant. Berner Lokal is the name of the restaurant. Er hat viele Gäste. He has lot of guests. Will aber keine zweites Lokal aufmachen. But he does not want to open a second restaurant. He is just happy with his first restaurant. Klar, ich könnte vielleicht reich damit werden. Meaning, now these are his words. I'll be rich with opening the other one. Aber ich habe mich bewusst dagegen entschieden. But he does not want to. Consciously, he has taken decision against it. Ich mag es einfach, wie wir hier arbeiten. I like the way we work here. So he is happy with his just one restaurant. Even though he has lot of guests, but he is happy with this. Stefan Berger wurde 1968 im Rheinland geboren. He was born in Rhineland in 1968. War auf der Realschule und lernte dann in einem großen Hotel kochen. Okay, after he did secondary school, and after that he has learned to cook in a large hotel. Nach der Berufsausbildung brauchte erstmal eine zweijährige Pause. After his vocational training, he needed 1 or 2 year break. Fuhr durch die Welt, hatte verschiedene Jobs und lernte viel Neues kennen. Meaning, he traveled all around the world. Then he did various jobs and learned lot of new things. Wegen einer Frau kam dann nach Bremen. He came to Bremen because of one lady. Das Berner Lokal in seiner Nachbarschaft sagte einen Koch. In his neighborhood, this was their Berner Lokal, and they were looking for a chef. Berger nahm die Stelle an und 3 Jahre später kaufte das Restaurant. Meaning, he first took a job there in that restaurant as a chef, and 3 years later, he bought the restaurant. Die meisten kennen ihn aber erst durch seine Fernsehshow. People, they know him by his popular show that is called as Burger Cooked, meaning Burger Cooks. In der beliebten Sendungen besuchen ihn Sänger und Schauspieler Und kochen mit dem ihre Lieblingsrezepte. Lot of popular singers and actors, they come to his restaurant, they show their uh, favorite recipes and work with him. Okay, and that is the theme of the show. Okay, right? This is Burger Cooks. So this is all about this article in a newspaper. Right now, there will be some questions or tasks, and you will have to go through it. So now this is, for example, they have given this Beispiel. Beispiel is example. Bei Stefan Berger können Gäste, Stefan Berger's guest can. First one is bekannte Gerichte essen, meaning they can try or they can be happy with all these well-known dishes. Then B is interessante Getränke bestellen. They want to order some interesting drinks. Or the C is neue Speisen probieren, meaning new things trying. They want to try new things. So C is correct, but you will have to cross it. Okay, not tick mark it, but you will have to cross it, the correct one. Now there will be tasks. Okay, first one is the Gäste im Berner Lokal. The guest in Brenner Lokal. First one is finden immer einen Tisch, meaning they find always they find one table there. B is müssen anrufen und Essen bestellen, or they have to call it and order the food. Or C is sollen Plätze reservieren, meaning they have to reserve the place, okay, or reserve the table. So now in this case, you know that it is always crowded. So they don't get a table, okay, to sit and have food. So C is correct. Zolan plates a reservoir. Now you will have to cross it there on C. Now the next one is second is Stefan Berger möchte ein neues Restaurant eröffnen, mit seinem Restaurant mehr Geld verdienen und sie ist nur ein Restaurant haben. Meaning, first one is he wants to open one new restaurant, or second one is he wants to create guilt from the restaurant, and the C's, and third one is just to have one restaurant. Okay, so C is correct, right? Because as we have seen, as we read, he doesn't want to open a new restaurant. Third one is sofort nach der Ausbildung. A is arbeitet in einem großen Hotel. B ist kauft ein Restaurant. And C is möchte eine lange Reise. Now this means first one is immediately after his vocational training, he started working in a large hotel, or he bought one restaurant. B, C is he want to have a break, and he want to travel around. So C is correct. Okay, because as we read, he wanted to take a break for 1 or 2 years. So not immediately after his vocational training, but after 2 years, he had joined a restaurant. Now, fourth one is Stefan Berger ist bekannt durch eine Fernsehsendung, then B is Leader und Filmer, C is sein Restaurant. Meaning he is known for his TV show, A is, then the second is for his songs and films, and C is his restaurant. Okay, but actually he is famous, or he is popular or well known from his through his TV show. Okay, Burger Cooks. So A is correct. So you will have to cross it. Now fifth one is dieser Text informiert über. This text inform us about. First one is then Berufsweg eines Cooks, meaning career path of a chef. B is einen Koch in einem Hotel, a cook in a hotel, and C is eine neue Berufsausbildung, meaning one new vocational training. So A is correct. That is, they have shown the career path of a cook. Okay, so you will have to cross on A. So this is all about Lesen section, but just we have seen first tile. Maybe in next video, we'll see tile 2, 3, and 4, and so on. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you, and bye-bye.